LSCHBA glows on, run without tripping, ARNO-Fitted Loco. Continue traction and on arriving at station, put HBA on 0. Wait for 15 seconds. If DJ does not trip, put back HBA to on position. Ignore LSCHBA, resume traction. If DJ trips, check the 3 numbers cartridge fuse, MCB provided on battery charger, CHBA. If the fuse is melted, replace with 16 amperes fuse. Reset MCB, resume traction. If the fuse is good, check the BA voltage. If it is more than 80 volts, put HCHBA on 0. Inform LC. Enter in the Loco logbook and locomotive can be worked for 4 hours and minimize BA load and frequently check BA voltage on run.